Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to make an kind of abstract piece of art on canvas. So basically this is a geometrical art. I have created some of different shapes and now I'm going to fill it with beautiful colors. It will turn out to be a colorful picture with different lines, circles, rectangles and many more. So here I have started painting some of the brown lines. Basically I have divided this canvas into four smaller portions and I have made some of patterns in each of the portion. So uh, it's up to you, it's according to you the color which you like. You could just add it to your painting. I'm using the acrylic paints to paint this canvas and this piece of art. Sometimes it might happen that you want a color and it may not be available. So you could also create the colors by adding or mixing different colors. For example, you could create the green color by adding blue and yellow. So I also create such stuff. While I am painting, I just want you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet, and do like this video. So now the second portion is also being completed, and like it is giving a good background for the picture. I'm not only going to just paint and fill these squares or these shapes with color, but also going to do some detailing on it. Such kind of painting are quite fun to create. You could also create your favorite patterns, your favorite designs. You could add your favorite color to make it more good. This is a kind of art which is not only for the professionals but also the beginners could try. Even though I'm also a beginner in this art, so I'm just relaxing myself by doing this kind of art. And you could also do it very easily. Now you could see that I'm also adding minor details to the portion which is already have painted. Like I'm adding small blue dots and to complete its basically to complete its whole look. As I have told before, I have divided the canvas into four portions, and each of the four portion contains a different pattern. So here I'm creating small pink clouds. So after completing the four portions, I am now adding minor details to complete its look, to make it more neat and clean. Here I am here I am adding more small lines in between this. I have used a permanent black marker after the paints are dried. Don't use it on the wet paint, it will not work. So after it has been dried, I'm just making it more prominent. As you have seen that it was not looking well before, it was merged overall. After setting it with the black marker, it is giving more good look. There are some of the areas where the marker may not work properly, so I am also using black paint. And now you could see that it is looking more good as it was before. So this was a kind of a geometrical art. You could also try this at your home, and you could draw any of the pattern of your choice. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Thank you.